Awesome.
No, John.
Awesome, alright. Setting up router. In the router settings.
I do this here.
Yeah. Yeah. Setting the computer to 29 users. Go to network. And go to DHCP settings. Start IP. End IP. I'm going to set it at 0. So that will be the first user. And then the end IP will be 28. Now that will be everybody else, which is 28, and in total 29 users. Then we save and apply it. The access point is rebooting. And now we got into the settings, we just enter the IP address on a Chrome, on a browser, web browser, and then enter the default username and password, which is admin and admin. Then we can change it however we like. Now everything has been saved. Go back to the network. Now we have access to 4 computers, and 25 users can use the network.